Hi, it's Hector Diaz. In this video, we're going to talk about what you should be doing when reviewing offers. There are other factors to take into consideration because it's not always just about the price.
When a buyer submits an offer on your house, their goal is to convey that they are indeed the right person that you should select to purchase your house. Depending on market conditions and the effectiveness of our marketing, you may receive multiple competing offers. Some offers may come in at the list price, while some may be lower or higher. When reviewing offers, we're looking for proof that the buyer is qualified and in a position to complete the transaction from beginning to end. This means that we will thoroughly analyze their financial history, credit score, down payment, and more. Think about it. Nobody wants to get involved in an escrow where they feel like there's a big chance that the deal may fall out for whatever reason. We also want to make sure the buyer is working with a professional team that has educated them on the intricate details of the real estate process, as well as what they should and shouldn't do during closing. Once we've received the offers and selected a qualified buyer, we can accept their offer and officially open escrow.
If you want to learn more about how my team and I can help you in listing your home, feel free to reach out to me today. Give me a call, text, or send me a private message below. Thanks for watching.